On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, Minitruck? Where are you? There you are. What, are you waiting for a bath? We gotta go to post office first, and then I'll give you a bath. Dirty girl. Thank you, Andrew and Christopher.
The next day.
What's up, Minitruck? It's snowing out. Want to take a ride in the snow and go to Home Depot? Let's go. Finish my bathroom off, put a new toilet in and new flooring. Almost done. You get to see the winter wonderland, and Minnie gets to get some more salt under her undercarriage. I guess I should put a mark on that pulley so I can see if it stops. Put the lights on, Minnie. Need a little extra heat. Cold out. 28 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh no, the salt truck, Minnie. Woohoo! Mini truck drift.
Be careful.
A few moments later.
That ought to do it, boys. Not a lot of snow, but it's snowing. Neil grating that stupid wax. You know, the toilet seal. Flange seal. This guy's scared. He was scared, Minnie. Definitely gonna need an undercarriage wash now, Minnie.
Sometimes I just don't feel fresh.
And an exterior wash.
My best friend told me it's a real fresh feeling. It is.
You got that not so fresh feeling.
We all get that not so fresh feeling sometimes.
You gotta wash your undercarriage.
It's clean, fresh feeling, keeps the good times on my mind.
It's my favorite cracker. Ritz and peanut butter. And milk. He's driving very cautiously so he doesn't crack those crackers. Should I pass? Sure. Tried to hold us off, Mini, but he couldn't do it. Thanks again, Mini. You're the best utility work truck anyone can ever have.
Several days later.
What's up, Minitruck? Let's go get you an undercarriage wash.
Because fresh feels terrific.
Touchless. Because we don't want anybody touching you inappropriately.
Excuse me?
I think I am touching it.
Gotta do the touchless. Drop this garbage at our little dumpster thingy. Drop off a few key tags. "30 degrees out, Mini. Too damn cold." Whew. Too cold to use a pressure washer in a driveway. It'll just make ice. 16 degrees out. And the high today is 30. Look at all that salt. That's 16 degrees Fahrenheit. So what is that, about 4 degrees Celsius? I'm going there. How you doing?
Easy. How you doing?
Hey, what's up? Thanks, John and Adam. Key tags. How are you?
Doing good, doing good. The Honda's, of course, in deep slumber at the moment. That supercharger sounding good.
Oh yeah, that thing, big difference. I'm going to the car wash and I'm driving down the road. I'm like, man, there's salt all over the road. I don't want to do it in my driveway because it turns all just a sheet of ice. You know, it's too cold to do it in the driveway now.
You know, I've got hot water in the garage, except that the pipe that goes from my kitchen sink to the slop sink is frozen solid.
Already?
They can't even replace the shutoff valve on it until
Yeah, it's too frozen.
spring or whatever.
Is it copper?
Yeah.
You get the old school people, they'd put like a welder on it and it would heat the pipe up. That's the way they used to do it, yeah.
Yeah, or one of those parts things they use for breaking inductive heating.
But they do the whole length, you know. So it just clamp on one end and the other and it heats the entire pipe.
Yeah, I've got like
Oh, it's a little section?
that much. Except
You think you'd hit it even with a heater, you know?
Well, they could. They could have put a Burns-O-Matic on it, except they were afraid that, gaskets and, pipe packing and stuff would. Wow, supercharged.
Yeah,
Into the,
got my sticker on there.
figuring sooner or later I'd run into you.
Yeah. Well, when you send me a message on like Instagram and you go for a ride with one of us one time.
I'd
If you want to do a mini truck ride,
I would love to do that.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, I love following you around town. Saying, oh, I know that. Oh, I know that. After you went to the Three Brothers for breakfast, you went to the Three Brothers for dinner.
The woman there wants to get a mini truck. You saw that? Did you talk to her? No?
No.
You should tell her you got one.
I should come in it, but
Yeah.
I'll
Good
let
seeing
know,
you.
but Good seeing you.
Take it easy.
Take care.
I met him down at Amir's. Another mini truck. I didn't recognize who that was. The little payment kiosk is on the left side. So I'm gonna have to get out, go around and pay. And then should I take the chainsaw off or should I let it run through the car wash? I'm gonna let it run through the car wash. It's been through pouring rain before. More sand and less salt. All this salt's getting into the groundwater, and that's no good. Now there's one mini truck, one blue mini truck left in the parking lot. We sold all them mini trucks. Alright, Auto Technic. Little blue Suzuki. I'm not drunk, officer. I'm dodging potholes. Well, That guy might be drunk. Or a gal. Looks like a gal. Is this big enough? Oh yeah. Oh, that pay thing used to be back there. My arms aren't long enough to reach.
These are cool little trucks, man.
Yeah, thanks.
It's a nice little winch on the front too.
And the back.
And the back. 5,000 pounds. The winch will hang this thing from the tree, huh?
2 times. 3 times, actually. It's 1,500 pounds.
Really? That's nice. Yeah, these are cool.
Thanks.
Very cool. Very cool.
They're fun.
Yeah.
You moved everything up here. I remember when it was back there.
Yeah, they moved those new machines inside. They put all heated pads.
Oh, wow. No more ice. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. They put a lot of money into it.
Nice. As long as your undercarriage is working good.
Oh, yeah. Yep. That's priority right now. That's what everybody's looking for. Yeah, it's working.
Have a good day.
You too. Take care now.
I don't know if I've ever taken Mini. Yeah, I did. A long time ago. I haven't been in a car wash in a long time with Mini. Put the back camera on so we can see that too. See what's going on around here. Idle's high today. You're gonna get blow dried. Huh. And now my tack is going wacky. Must be something underneath there. Bad connection. Or maybe my distributor cap. Feel that. Wow. Colorful. Smells like bubble gum. I wish they did spray wax underneath. Time for your blow dry, Mini. Oh yeah, it's lifting your mat up. Not all the way. Lifting your wipers off. That's bolted down anyway. Wow, it's rocking the whole truck. Rocking old truck, Mini.
It's clean, fresh feeling, keeps the good times on my mind.
bad we gotta go back on salty roads. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check my distributor cap. Didn't like that undercarriage wash. It was going wonky. What else would cause that? The wiring's up here into the high voltage coil. Do some Aldi shopping. Stock up a bit. Didn't do too bad of a job. Looks pretty good. How's underneath? Not bad. Not too shabby. Looks good, Minnie. Let's go do some shopping at Aldi's. Saw a free cart, not locked up, and I went to push it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
The wheel's off. So much for that. Someone lost their quarter.
A few moments later.
Alright. So it did an okay job. Nothing beats a hand job. Well, some things do. $150 worth of Aldi's. It is cold. Colder than a Titch's Witty. Get you some gas, Minnie. Credit is down. Are they all down? Well, looks like it's all down. Get you gas later, Minnie. Oh well. Got him. All the salt is all dried and pounded on the road. Minnie's pounding salt. Is that what it means to go pound salt? I don't think so. I'm gonna have to find that wonky connection that screws up the tach. I wonder if it's actually screwing up the ignition at the same time and the tach is picking it up. I have to check by the distributor. One thing's for certain, Minnie's got good heat. See, they got cheese curds. Never saw them at Aldi's before. I love those. Let's see how good these are. You know where cheese curds are famous. River's freezing over. Go pound salt, Minnie. The stuff isn't dried up yet. Might have to get some white Rust-Oleum and paint up your frame this spring. Be a good idea. You got a surf's up thumbs up off of that guy, Minnie. Or what is that? That California, what is that? California style? Used to be like, call me. I hope that's not what it was. Oh my God. Look at all this salt. I think they went a little crazy on the salt over here. Thanks for the ride, Minnie. They're okay. The good ones squeak on your teeth, though. These are okay. But they're not as good as from you-know-where. Got 3 going out. Thanks to Jay, Jason, and Alvin.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.